Hello everyone, this is Guangdong GFD Commercial Technology Company Limited. Today, we will show you how to use our 4-burner gas range with gas oven correctly. First of all, please pay attention to these 4 symbols. They represent the different position of each burner and help us identify their location easily. For example, this symbol represents the location of the bottom right burner. Now let's demonstrate how to use the gas range burner. Firstly, press the knob and rotate counterclockwise to the start position. Hold the knob and put the igniter close to the pilot light. After lighting the pilot light, hold the knob for more than 15 seconds to hit the thermocouple. If the pilot light goes out when you release the knob, repeat this operation. Rotate the knob to adjust the flame to a higher or lower setting. Like this. Next, we will show you how to use the below oven. Press the knob and rotate it counterclockwise to the start position. Hold the knob and press the ignition button. Check the pilot light through the wheel window on the bottom panel of the working tube. After lighting the pilot light, hold the knob for more than 15 seconds to hit the thermocouple. If the pilot light goes out when you release the knob, repeat this operation. The temperature range of the oven is 15 to 300 degrees. To turn off the gas range, rotate the knob to the O position to cut off the main gas supply.